Hey guys, Doug Rucker here, right here. Hey, I'm out on one of our bank accounts and removing these cobwebs. This is something we do on a regular maintenance routine, and simply using a pole. This is actually a reach-it water-fed pole, but you can use any type of telescoping pole that you want to. And I'm using a cobweb duster, so just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to remove these. Don't need a pressure washer, don't need soap, bleach, whatever. This is on a stucco ephes type surface, and very easy to remove these, so I'll show you this real quick. So you can see how easy it is to remove in just out one little square. I've got just this little hallway to do all the way down there. It usually takes me about 15 minutes. I charge about $400 to come out here quarterly and do this. So we're going to, the other thing that I use sometimes is they're called prism glasses. And these are glasses that allow you to look straight ahead. So you don't have to stand like this. If you don't want to, you can just look straight ahead and you can see this, and I can see the ceiling. So I do use these sometimes on really big jobs. If it's a quick job, I may not do it. Like this one's 10 or 15 minutes, doesn't take a whole lot of time. But just to show you, let me see if I can get the camera angle down a little bit so you can see me. What it looks like when you have these. So I don't have to, I don't know if you can see me or not. I really don't have to bend my head up to see the ceiling. Hope you can see that in the camera. I guess you can. Go here, straight here. Come in. Straight ahead. Run this over. And now I'm not cricking my neck. So this kind of helps a little bit to keep you from cricking your neck or whatever. If you wanted to use these, you can use these. Like I said, on big jobs, I use them. This one I won't. But anyway, that's how I remove cobwebs. Very easy to use with a cobweb duster, so you don't have to use pressure or a lot of water, especially like on this job. I don't want to get the windows all dirty and all that kind of stuff. So cobweb duster on a pole makes it really easy, and I think a lot faster in some cases than a pressure washer. So hope that helps you guys, and let me know if I can help you in any way. By the way, the cobweb dusters, you can get them at Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. They're cheap. They're like $7, $8. Get the kind that screws onto a pole, put it on an extension pole, and you're good to go.